New survey sites to make money. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Hustler's Kingdom Movement. Here I teach people how to make money online with a smartphone. If this is the very first time I'm coming across my channel, can you subscribe and turn on the notification bell? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new site where we can actually make money running survey. This site is actually new and their payment is within 24 hours. And they don't require phone number, neither do they require ID card, right? So you have to make a very good use of this site before we go deep. Like as I've said, it's a new site and they have two payment options like cryptos and gift card, right? And other payment option is still going to be coming soon. So guys, before we go further, please like this video and follow me. Let's go. So the first thing I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be getting my proxy. So it's very necessary, right? I'll be going to resident order. So I'm going to be fast on this, right? So I'll be going to resident order, right? So now I'm in resident order. So as you can see over here, I have 6 gig plan active, right? So I'm going to be using sticky account, right? I always say you guys to use sticky account for the first time, right? Now I'll be scrolling down, right? So to this place here, I'll be entering my name. So a lot of you guys is no longer new, right? To you guys to be able to, like, you know, purchase proxy or see me purchasing proxy. So I'll just be fast on this, right? So I'll just say, let me just give it a name. Let me just say new site, right? So I always tell you guys that you can give it any name you feel like, right? So I'll just say new site. Authorization method, don't leave it at username and password. Export from, I leave it at file. Then the country, which country do you want to go for? You want to go for UK or US? Me, I want to go for USA, right? So I'm going to be typing was United States, right? United States. You can see it over here, right? So just want to filter the IP, that's the proxy IP address, in the way I want it, right? So I'm going to be choosing my region. So I'm going to be choosing Texas for my region. Are you seeing now? Texas. So my city, I'm going to be using Dallas, right? For my city, Dallas or Dallas for whichever, right? So my ISP, I'm going to be using AT&T, right? AT&T internet. So my port, I'll leave it at 1. Then my output format, right? How do I want the IP to look like when I create it? So I'm going to be leaving it at IP, port, login and password. This is the best. So I'm going to be clicking on create, right? So I've clicked on create. So here is where my proxy is going to be dropping at the proxy list. So it's creating right now, right? So let's do this. So now you can see it, right? New site. So this is how I created it. Geographical location is USA, Texas, AT&T internet, right? So I'll click it back to go off. Then I'll click on see all. Now this see all I'm clicking is to be able to see my proxy that I created, right? So let's go. So now this is the proxy I created. So I'm going to be zooming it and copy it. Yep. Sorry. So now I want to copy it. So yep, copy. So now I've copied the IP address. So the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'll be going towards my super proxy app. So here's my super proxy app. So I'm going to be deleting my previous proxy. Then I'm going to be clicking on add proxy. Now I'll be fast on this, right? So I say it's a new site, right? So you can give it any name if you like on the default on the profile name, right? So you can just a new site. You understand? The reason of me doing all this is to let you guys know that you can do whatever you feel like on the profile name, right? Yeah, it's nothing. It's just for you to remember what you actually created, right? So it's saver. I'm going to be pasting everything I copied from the side, right? And this is it. So after the column, which is the double dots, so what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be copying everything to the right hand side, or then I'll cut it off, then I'll cancel the column, which is the double dot, then I will repaste it again. That's everything I cut off, because everything cut off is automatically copied when you cut, right? So after the ads, right, I'm gonna be copying everything again. I'll draw it to the right and cut off. So once I cut off, it has copied already. So I'll cancel the ad. Then now authentication method, I'm gonna be using username and password. Then the username, I'm going to be using words. I'm going to be pasting everything I cut off, right? And after the column again, I'm going to be cutting everything off and cancelling the column, that's the double dots. Then I'm going to be pasting the last thing, which is the password, right? So now as you can see, everything is sticking green. It shows that my server, my port, my username and my password is already set. So now I'm going to be clicking on save. Now Are you seeing it now? So now that I've clicked on save, the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to what? Start my proxy. Oh, I forgot something. Yeah, my time zone, right? So I need to set up my time zone before I actually start this stuff. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to go to my settings. So once I'm in my settings right now, be clicking on general, right? And I'll be clicking on date and time, right? So I'll be toggling this off, which is this automatic time zone. The time zone cannot be set due to device restriction. What's happened? Anyway, I think I did some settings on my phone, right? And I have to unrestrict it again. But then I'm doing this for educational purpose, right? Don't forget to actually put on your time zone, okay? So now I'll still be going to to my browser, right? And then now I'll be going to my Google. I'm going to be searching for the name of the site. So the name of the site is called tapnoon.com. Go. Are you seeing it? So I've loaded it already. So tapnoon.com. So don't forget, please ensure your time zone rhyme, okay? But I'm just doing this for educational purposes, right? So please. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be clicking on sign up. As you can see over here, they say up to 250 per tax, get paid by completing surveys, offer and surveys, right? So I'm going to be clicking on sign up, or you can just come here and register. You click on register. Are you seeing it? So but let me just click on sign up here, right? So you can choose to use your email, you understand, and you can choose to use your username, email, or you can continue with Google. So what I'm going to be doing right now is that I'm going to be using my email, right? So I don't want to continue with Google, but let me just use my email to register. So my username, I'm just going to be saying new site, right? So I'm doing this for educational purpose, don't forget, right? So my email, I'm just going to be using let me just say pogohood@gmail.com. So my password, I'm just going to be using it's from Google. Yeah, so I will just register. So I've clicked on registered, and they said email verification link sent. So I'm going to be waiting for Google to send me verification link, right? So it has been sent to me, you understand? So there is it over here, the email link, the verification link. So I'm waiting for it to open. Don't still forget, I'm still repeating it again, don't forget that your time zone and your IP needs to match. Oh my god, I didn't even do I didn't even do my IP analysis. I just went too fast, right? But then I trusted that my IP is very, very strong, you understand? Yep, I trusted that it's strong. So don't forget to do your IP analysis too as well, right? So yeah, I'll click on email verification, then I'll use Google. Don't forget, let's use your default browser that you actually use from registering it. It's a site, okay? So now I'm accessing it, right? So now my account has opened, you understand? So you can see I've been given 10 cents at the top, right? And we are here already. So N, right? So once you click on N, now in the N you will see we are at the home right now. So there is all. This is all. Now you're going to be seeing everything, right? This is all. That's everything packaged together. So what do you actually want to earn from, right? So that's all. Then the next one is casino, right? That's not what we are after, right? The other one is game, right? That's not what we are after. The other one is crypto. Are you seeing it? That's not what we are after. What we are after in this place is survey. Are you seeing it now? Are you seeing it now? So this is survey we are after. So you can see N433.28. 28, right? Start earning. So now you can see there are a whole lot of surveys here, right? There are a whole lot of surveys that we can be able to what do. You understand? So you click on what? Start earning. Once you click on start earning, your survey has automatically start, right? So that's for that. So don't forget, you go to survey. Now for the browser, they have iOS, right? They have for those of you guys always asking if I can use laptop, yes, you can use. For those of you guys always asking if I can use Android, yes, you can use. For those of you guys always asking, can you use Mac, iOS, you can OS, right? As Apple, what's it called, MacBook, you can use. For those of you asking if you can use iOS, I'm using iOS device right now, right? I'm using my iPhone 13. Now Linux as well, you can use Linux, right? So currently I'm using my iPhone 13, so you can filter it. You understand? For those of you guys that are using what's it called, laptop and computer and whatever, you understand? So now this is their leadership board. Okay, so their leadership board, I think you're gonna be getting what's it called, $5. That's if you are the highest, if you are the highest earner, right? That's one. Number two, the first person, the highest person, is going to be getting $5. The second highest person is going to be getting $3, while the third highest person is going to be getting $2. What was it called? $2, yeah. So as you can see over here, right? This is it. So here is my offer. That's tasks that are available for you, right, to do. But then there's no offer available. Don't forget to my time zone. I could not on my time zone because there's a setting that I did on my phone. That's why I could not change my time zone, right? So don't forget to change your time zone, because if you change your time zone, you will see all those things, right? So cash out. Now this is how the cash out work. Okay, so if you earn what's it called, if you want to redeem on crypto or you want to redeem on gift card, this is how it goes. Okay, so if you want to redeem on crypto, you click on what, each of any of these, right? The first one is Litecoin, which is L. The second one is Bitcoin Cash, which is B. The third one is Dogecoin, which is D. Which is the number 3, right? Then which is D, Dogecoin. Then the fourth one is Bitcoin, right? So that first B that is on green is Bitcoin Cash. The B that is on orange is Bitcoin. You understand? BTC. You understand? The other one is Bitcoin Cash is BCH. You understand? So this one is Litecoin. The other one is Dogecoin. Then the other one are what's it called, gift card. So you can redeem on Steam, Play Store, and Netflix, right? That's their gift card. So on Litecoin, you can be able to withdraw the minimum of what, 50 cents. Are you seeing it now? 50 cents. So whenever I get to 50 cents, you can be able to withdraw. Are you seeing it now? So on what's it called, on Bitcoin Cash, you can be able to withdraw what, 50 cents too as well. You can see it's BCH, that's Bitcoin Cash. So on Dogecoin, you can be able to withdraw what, minimum of $2 on Dogecoin. So don't forget, each of these each of these cryptocurrency this thing you want to cash out to, you need to include your fee, right? You need to include your fee. So ensure that if you want to withdraw $2, add like this Dogecoin now. If you want to withdraw the minimum of $2, you need to have 2 cents. That's, you need to have $2, 2 cents. You understand? To be able to withdraw. You understand? So that's for the charges, right? To get your $2. If not, you're going to be getting 1.80 cents. You understand? So I'm just letting you guys know how it goes, right? So for the Bitcoin, the minimum cash out for Bitcoin is $10, and their withdrawal fee is 50 cents. That's less half a dollar, right? So now let's come to gift card. We have Steam gift card, and the minimum you can withdraw from Steam is $5, right? We also have what's it called, Google Play Store. The minimum you can withdraw is $5, right? So we have Netflix. The minimum you can withdraw is $30. Are you seeing it? So now that you already know that this is how the sites work, you understand, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this my YouTube channel. Okay, so don't forget, this site does not require phone number and it does not require ID card. and it's a new site, so you can start with Litecoin. For those of you guys that don't have money to buy proxy, you can actually gather money from here to get money to buy proxy or more proxy, right? So like you guys see the way I dropped my cash out for money, that's last night. You can see that I was able to cash out $5, right, of Litecoin straight to my crypto wallet. You understand? And I can use that Litecoin to go and purchase proxy of $5 or more. You understand? So that's it. So guys, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. And most importantly, don't forget to set your time zone. You understand? And don't also forget to analyze your IP. I went too fast on this. Thank you very much. See you guys in my next video.